There are two basic processes to dismount tires from the wheel. The first process requires the sensor nut to be removed and the sensor pushed inside of the tire prior to breaking the bead and removing the tire. This process is recommended by Ford and Schrader for their clamp-in sensors. The second process, recommended for most other types of sensors, is performed with the sensor in place. Please refer to the TPMS service guide for the proper procedure for each vehicle. We will review both procedures. To remove the tire from the rim on a vehicle with sensor removed, as the recommended procedure, remove the valve core using a valve core tool and release the air completely. Dispose of the old valve core and cap. Remove the sensor hex nut. Allow the sensor to drop into the tire. Dispose of the old nut. Gently bounce the tire to ensure the sensor falls to the bottom of the tire. Place the wheel in the tire changing machine and break both beads. Lubricate the beads and place the wheel on the turntable and remove the tire. Always follow the tire equipment manufacturer's instructions. The sensor can now be safely removed from the tire, and the tire can be serviced as required. Sensor or valve location is not important while breaking the bead or removing the tire, since the sensor is not installed and can float freely inside the tire to reduce the chance of damage to the sensor. When using this process, always replace the grommet, nut, core, and cap with a new service pack.